Welcome to session organized by Department of College and Technical Education under Learning Management System. Today topic is detailed estimation of RCC road, CC road, detailed estimation of CC road, detailed and abstract estimate of concrete road contains what is road, types of payments, site preparation, construction process, detailed and abstract estimation, reference. What is road and payment? Road is an open, generally public way for the passage of vehicles, peoples, and animals. Pavement is finished with a hard, smooth surface. It helped make them durable and able to withstand traffic and the environment. They have a lifespan of between 20 to 30 years. Functions of payment. One of the primary functions of payment is load distribution. It can be characterized by the tire loads, tire configurations, repetitions of loads, and distribution of traffic across the pavement and vehicle speed. Types of payments. There are various types of payments depending upon the materials used. A brief description of all types in given here. Flexibility payment. Bitumen has been widely used in the construction of flexible payments for a long time. This is the most convenient and simple type of construction. The cost of construction of single lane bituminous pavement varies from 20 to 30 lakhs per kilometer in plain area. Flexible pavement have low flexural strength. Load is transferred by grain to grain contact. Have low completion cost but repairing cost is high. Have low lifespan, high maintenance cost. Rigid payment. Rigid payments through costly in initial investment are cheap in long run because of low maintenance cost. The cost of construction of single lane rigid pavement varies from 35 to 50 lakhs per kilometer in plain area. Rigid pavements have deformation in the subgrade is not transferred to subsequent layer. Design is based on flexural strength or slab action. Have high flexural strength. No such phenomenon of grain to grain load transfer exists. Have low repairing cost but completion cost is high. Lifespan is more as compared to flexible. This is the figure shows difference between flexible and rigid pavement in terms of load distribution in different layers. This is rigid pavement, nothing but a concrete pavement. This is flexible pavement. This is bitumen road. Subgrade action is uniformly distributed on concrete or rigid pavement. In flexible pavement, this is acting only one direction. This is difference between flexible and rigid pavement in terms of load distribution in different layers. This is flexible pavement, surface dressing, surface courses, base course, concrete slab, subbase, formation level, natural formation. Different layer in flexible and rigid pavement. Basic components of a concrete pavement: lanternal joint, traverse joint, flexure surface texture, tie bars, subgrade base, dowel bars, concrete materials, surface smoothness, thickness of thickness design. Types of rigid pavements: jointed plain concrete pavement does not use any reinforcing steel. Jointed reinforced concrete pavement, reinforcing steel placed at mid height and discontinued at the joints. Continuous reinforced concrete pavement. This method is very costly and generally not used in India. Pre-stressed concrete pavement promises new and innovative construction method. Precast pavement components are fabricated and installed on a prepared foundation. Existing pavements are regraded foundation. Site preparation. For construction begins, the construction site must be carefully prepared. This includes preparing the grade or road base, subgrade and subbase. First, the site is graded to cut high points and fill low areas to the desired roadway profile elevation. Generally, cut materials can be used as embankment, fill. A course of material is placed on this subgrade to provide drainage and stability. A course of fairly rigid material, sometimes cement or asphalt treated, that is placed on this subbase to provide a suitable stable platform for the concrete pavement slab. This is preparation of site. This is roller rolling on subbase. This is thickness measurement of concrete. Construction process. After site preparation, construction process consists of various steps which are described below. Formwork, wooden sheets, battens, plywood, fiber, hardwood, steel plates, angles, rope, etc. are generally used for formwork. Before using formwork, it should free from all type material like edges, dust, cement. To placing the concrete in appropriate depth use 2.5 centimeter and 3 meter long wooden sheeting. The depth of wooden block must be same as level of slab thick. After 24 hours, formwork displaced next length of road. Placing of concrete. Two methods generally used in placing of concrete. Alternate bay method and continuous bay method. Placed the concrete on both sides of road alternatively like as 135. You should figure here. Side first side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Second side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You see here, alternate bay method means placed the concrete on both sides of road alternatively like as 1 3 5 part at one side and 2 4 5 6 part other side. This method have a slow process due to road traffic problem. Continuous base method construct one side of road regularly and after construction of some part of first side then construct other side. This method have fast process without no obstruction of traffic. Detailed and abstract estimate of concrete road. Prepare an estimate for 1 kilometer length of cement concrete trench shown in figure with 80 centimeter track with 1.7 meter center to center over 18 centimeter rammed odd gravel for the following items given below. This is a figure. The two tracks of concrete, 80 centimeter width of track, the center to center length is 1.7 meter, and below concrete track the odd gravel layer is there. The thickness is 18 centimeter. The following items are calculated providing and laying odd gravel loosely packed for below the cement concrete tracks with 1/3 height. Extra allowance for compaction to be made at rupees 1100 per meter cube. Second, consolidation of odd gravel at rupees 25 per meter cube. Laying CC 1:3:6 using granite jelly 20 mm and downsize for concrete at rupees 2500 per cubic meter. Providing and laying odd gravel loosely packed for below the cement concrete track and in between track, that thickness is 18 centimeter plus one third of the 1 by third of the thickness, that is 24 centimeter in meter, 0.24 meter. Two tracks of concrete, 1000 meter is 1 kilometer length, 1000 meter length, 1.1 meter breadth and 0.24 meter odd gravel depth, that is loose depth. D is equal to 15 centimeter plus one third of thickness is equal to 20 centimeter in meter, 0.2 meter. One odd gravel, 1000 meter length, 0.9 meter width and 0.2 meter depth. Total odd gravel quantity is 708 meter cube. Consolidation of odd gravel, it means compaction of odd gravel, same quantity 2 into 1000 into 1.1 into 0.24, that is 528 meter cube. 1 into 1000 into 0.9 into 0.2, 180 meter cube. Total is 708 meter cube. Laying CC 1:3:6 using granite jelly 20 mm and downsize of for concrete 2 into 1000 into 0.8 into 0.15, 240 meter cube. Abstract estimated cost, serial number, particulars, quantity, unit rate per unit, amount. Providing and laying odd gravel loosely packed for below the cement concrete track and in between track, 708 unit is meter cube. Rate per unit is 1100 per meter cube. 7,78,800. Consultation of odd gravel quantity is 708 meter cube. Rate 25 per cubic meter, that is 17,700. Laying CC 1:3:6 using granite jelly 20 mm and down size for concrete 240 meter cube, unit is meter cube. Rate is 2500 per meter cube. Total cost is amount is 6 lakhs. Total 13 lakhs 96,500. Add 3 and 2% of contingents and work establishment charges, 41,895, 27,930. Total grand total is 1 lakh 14 lakhs 66,325 rupees. Second problem, prepare bill of quantities of 1 kilometer 1 kilometer length of crate shown in figure. The average depth of embankment is 0.6 meter and the side slope are 2:1. Also prepare the abstract and cost assuming suitable rates. This is cross section of Crateway. First one, earthwork excavation. B is equal to 1 plus 2 into 1.5 plus 0.3 plus 0.6. This is total width 1.5 plus 0.3 plus 1 plus 0.6 plus 0.6 1 plus 2 into 1.5 plus 0.3 1.5 plus 0.3 plus 0.6 is equal to 5.8 meter. Total formation width is 5.8 meter, depth is 0.6 meter and slope is 2. The quantity of earthwork is Q is equal to BD plus SD square into length. Length is 1000 meter, B is formation width 5.8 meter into D means depth of the embankment 0.6 plus 2 into side slope is 2, 2 into 0.6 square into 1000, 4200 meter cube. Second one, Moram filling under creative ways 2 into 1000, 0.8 into 0.1, 160. Between Crateway, 1 into 1000, 1 width 1 meter, 0.1 meter thickness, 100. Top and side of Crateway, 2000 into 0.3 into 0.1, 60. 4 into 1000 into 0.1 into 0.1, 40. Total quantity is 360 meter cube. Add 30% bulk is allowance in supply 108 meter cube. Total is 468 meter cube. Laying and compaction of Moram complete. Formation width B is equal to 2 into 0.3 plus 0.6 plus 1, 2.8 meter. 1 into 1000, 2.8, 2800 meter square. Cement concrete 1 is to 2 is to 4 in the track, including laying, curing, complete 2 into 1000 into 0.6 into 240 meter cube. Abstract estimation. Earthwork excavation 4200 quantity, unit is meter cube, rate is 40 per meter cube. The total cost is earthwork excavation is earthwork in embankment is 1,68,000. Moram filling is total quantity 468 meter cube, rate 81 per meter cube, 37,908. Laying and compaction of Moram complete 2800 meter cube, rate 3 rupees per meter square, 8400. Cement concrete 1 is to 2 is to 4 in the track, including laying, curing, complete 240 meter cube, 2250 per meter cube, 5,40,000. Total is 7,54,308. Adding 3% of contingency and 2% of work establishment charges, grand total 7,92,023.4. And reference B.N. Datta, estimation and costing, civil engineering, H.S. Vishwanath, estimation and costing, Sapna Bookstall, Bookhouse. Thank you.